For the overall image also, you can also go back to your adjustments, grab your hue and saturation, and click on specific parts that you might want to adjust. You can actually specify the parts that you want to adjust. So just grab and adjust, just grab and adjust, grab, adjust, grab, adjust. I think that one has moved in the opposite direction. We've actually taken out color. So let me see. I don't want to take out that red color. So I think it was a saturation that I reduced here. Just double click on it to reset it. It is still working on the main title to reduce the brightness a little bit. Very slight. And you can actually even group your main levels layer here. So the one that you're going to work on as the master for all of this can actually be located in this area. So here is our levels. Let me put it above our hue and saturation. So there it is. So we can actually select the first one, go to the last one, hold shift, then use Control and G. And now you can do a before. This is before, and then this is after. Before and after. Before and after. I will see you in the next video.